Look at this weather. Maulap, medyo madilim, parang uulan. Most people think solar panels tumitigil magtrabaho pag ganito. But ito yung isa sa maraming maling akala natin tungkol sa solar. Kasi kung ang solar gumagana lang in perfect sunlight, then maraming countries na merong bad weather would never use solar heavily, di ba? But Germany is one of the world's biggest solar producers, and it gets less sunlight than the Philippines. Here's the science people don't realize. Solar panels don't actually need heat. They need light. Even when it's cloudy, yung sunlight, nakakapas pa rin siya through the clouds as diffuse radiation. Yung soft daylight na nakikita nyo outside right now, that is still solar energy. Think about this. Pag maulap ba, pwede ka pa rin magkaroon ng sunburn? Yes. Bakit? Because sunlight, nararating pa rin niya ang iyong balat. Same thing with solar panels. Now obviously, production drops during heavy clouds or rain. A solar system might produce 100% pag sobrang tirik ang araw, and maybe 30 to 60% on cloudy weather, but not zero. And honestly, a lot of people iniisip na sira yung mga panels nila pag rainy season. Pero ang totoong problema is they expect solar to work like magic. Ang solar po, it's not about making maximum power every second. It's reducing yung ating dependence sa expensive electricity over the years. Yung clouds reduce production, but they don't erase the sun.